Hi everyone, welcome back to exercise 7.1 chapter 7 functions and graphs. Okay, now question number 7, that is the last question of this 7.1. So prove that this, okay, so we can select a let y is equal to x by x square minus 5x plus 9. Okay, next step you do here cross multiply. Cross multiply means there is nothing. Okay, y by this you can write y by 1. Okay, so this part into this part is equal to this part. Okay, so you can write here y into this part. So x square minus 5x plus 9 is equal to x into 1 means x. So this is y x square minus 5xy plus 9y, and this x is right hand side. Now it will be this hand, so it will now minus is equal to 0. Now you can take this y x square as it is because y square single. Now what is the common between these two? X, I will take here common, so I will take here plus x common. Okay, and now there is remaining what? Minus 5y, and here minus 1. Okay, plus this is constant part, so plus 9y is equal to 0. It is of form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this quadratic form. Okay, quadratic form. Okay, where a is equal to, if I compare this x square, quadratic option y, so a is equal to y, b is equal to here x, so this is b part, so here minus 5 y minus 1. I can write it here like minus outside, so it will now how much? 5y, and then this is minus 1 is plus, so plus 1. Okay, I can write this way. Okay, minus this much, b is equal to this much, and c is equal to 9y. Now you can see that it is, if x is real condition, so you can write here it is given that x is real. Okay, it is given that x is real. Okay, so discriminant discriminant must be greater or equal to what? 0. Greater or equal to 0. Okay, so now you can write here implies discriminant formula. What is discriminant formula? b square minus 4c or 4ac. Okay, you can write ac or ca greater or equal to 0. Implies, now what is b square means this formula. So if I do here rough, b square means minus of 5y minus, this is plus 1, yeah, plus 1 whole square. Okay, so this is this whole square means what? This minus will be now what? Plus, so this is means what? Plus 5y plus 1 whole square. Okay, this means, so I can directly write now here, this is 5y plus 1 whole square minus 4, what is a? Y, into c means 9y greater or equal to 0. Now the formula for this is 5 5 25y square plus 10 to the 5 to the 10 y plus 1 square 1 minus 9 4 36, and then y square, y into y square is greater or equal to 0. Implies, now here this is minus 36 y square, this is plus 36, so bigger sign is, bigger number sign is minus, so this will be minus 36 minus 25. 36 minus 25 will be how much? 11. 1, 11. Okay, so this is 11 y square plus 10y and then plus 1 is greater or equal to 0. Now there is minus, so you have to take it common. Minus is outside, so it is now how much? 11y square. Now this will be plus, will be now minus 10y plus 1 will be now minus 1 is greater or equal to 0. Implies whenever you have minus, okay, if we remove this minus, then this sign will be reverse sign. So you can write now this is 11y square minus 10y minus 1. Now this is, I have removed this in a step minus, so this will be now reverse, so it will now less or equal to 0. Okay, implies. Now if I multiply this coefficient of y square 11 into 1 minus 1, it will be how much? Minus 11. So it will be now how much? Minus 11. And when I take 11 factor is how much? 11 into 1. Okay, 11 into 1. So 11 into 1, 11, but I need here minus 10. So I will take this minus 11. Now minus 11 plus 1 means it is how much? Minus 10. So minus 10. And when I multiply, I'll get here minus 11 to 1, minus 11. So this is our factor. So you, what we can do now here, there is 11 here, so you have to divide this by 11. So 11 and this also by 11. So this 11 is equal to, now this is how much? Minus 1, and this is equal to 1 by 11. So what is our factor? Our factor is y minus 1, and this is y plus 1 by 11. Okay, is less or equal to 0. Okay, this is our factor. Now we can now here, this is okay. So now you can draw now here. We know if x minus alpha into x minus beta is, this is less than 0, okay, then x lies. Now draw this number line, okay. This is minus infinity and this is plus infinity. And this is one part, this is 1 and 1 by 11. So 1 by, first will be 1 by 11, okay. This is 1 by 11. So this is minus 1 by 11, okay. This is minus 1 by 11 and this is plus 1. Okay. So whenever our this value is less, okay, suppose we can think this is alpha and this is beta. Suppose this value is less. When it is less, we have to, for less and greater, we have to think plus, minus and plus, because these three parts, this part is plus, minus and plus. This part is less than 0 means negative parts. Yes, less than 0 means negative. So this value lies between these, okay, here. So we can write here x lies between alpha and beta. So here x is equal to, sorry, here alpha is equal to how much? 1, and beta is equal to, here beta, this is, if I compare, this is minus, this is plus, so this will be minus 1 by 11. This is minus 1 by 11, okay. Implies y lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1, okay. So what is your question? Between. So you can now directly write y lies between this one. So y lies between this one. Directly you can write, therefore implies, hence x by x square minus 5x plus 9 lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1 proved. Okay, so this is the complete solution. Take care, bye.